Mhm.
like you, as you told, you are also handling a lot of clients, and similarly in our ad agency also we get a lot of clients. But the first
Mhm.
question that we ask whenever we get a client is how many SKUs you have, what is your campaign structure. Because if
Mhm.
a client is running his or her own advertising for themselves, and they generally
Mhm.
have very less idea on advertising campaign structure. So if I just
Yes.
talk about campaign structure, what is a general idea do you want to give us, or that will be helpful for the clients as well as for us in terms of campaign structure that we need to follow?
Okay. So, like, in order to understand an effective Amazon advertisement structure, like, we need to understand that there are two different structures, the basics. There is an advertisement structure, and then there is a campaign structure. Advertisement structure is what campaigns you need to build effective and right on point sales funnel. And campaign structure is like how you should manage your internal steps of structuring your advertisement. First, let's discuss what is the advertisement structure. Obviously, any unplanned and ineffective PPC or any kind of advertisement will definitely lead towards burning your money, right? Whereas if you plan to build a split test, try to draw a conclusion based on comparative analysis, you most likely to save your bills and in fact make multi-millions out of it, right? So the success of any advertisement lies in a perfectly and properly researched sales funnel. Like we have where you should have campaigns that are first of all educating and creating prospects by means of hitting their pain points, usually hitting a broader audience. Then based on your that pain point, when this campaign got successful to drive traffic, you have to make sure like your product description page, that is your PDP, or your ad copy or sales copy is valuable enough to let them understand your product, or at least register your product in your audience mind, right? Now exactly hitting the prospect on pre-decided properly researched search terms to convert, you know and then the campaigns that can target the step one and step two that I mentioned, those are only the successful campaigns. If the campaign structure is like you have all the prerequisites out here. First of all, the first point was to in the in-depth pain points research. The number second was search terms populating those pain points, right? And answer all those pain points in your ad copy or your sales copy. Then you have the
Okay.
campaigns to drive a broader audience on those particular pain points. If you have all the above steps correctly, only then you can achieve your results from the next step, which is the campaign should be reflecting a broader pain point and contain ad groups with specific terms. Also, what I do is like the ad groups in my campaigns should be following the single keyword ad group. This one there should be one single keyword in per ad group.
Yeah.
This is the best structure, like in my point of view,
Mhm.
and it should be structured in decreasing order of relevant traffic and ranking the possibility. Okay, and you can add, obviously, you can add as many ad groups you want, but it will increase your monitoring time and monitoring work. So keep tracking your daily budget per ad group as well, I would say.